The United Nations has now suspended its vaccination program in Pakistan after a series of deadly attacks on frontline workers. Another woman and her driver were killed today. That brings to 8 the number of healthcare workers killed in the last 2 days in Pakistan. They were all working for a UN-backed vaccination campaign. The Taliban are opposed to the program, saying it's a cover for espionage. Suspension of the vaccinations is a major setback for public health in Pakistan. 3 U.S. State Department officials resigned today, less than a day after a scathing report into the deadly attack on the U.S. consulate in Benghazi. The resignations come as politicians from both parties voice their anger over the findings. The report slams the State Department for widespread failings that led to the deaths of an American ambassador and 3 other personnel. Our Washington bureau chief Eric Sorensen reports.
One thing is clear about the Benghazi assault. The Americans at the U.S. consulate didn't stand a chance. They were overwhelmed by extremists who attacked in waves for more than 8 hours. The State Department's independent review found security that day was grossly inadequate to deal with the attack. How unprepared was the compound? Even new security cameras were still in boxes.
Frankly, the State Department had not given Benghazi the security, both physical and personnel resources it needed.
The attack killed U.S. Ambassador Chris Stevens and 3 others. In this unstable country, Stevens had pleaded for more security staffing, according to colleagues.
We were fighting a losing battle. We couldn't even keep what we had.
The new Libyan government was of little help. Militias assigned to protect the embassy ran away when the attack began. Politicians from both parties said the findings were blunt.
Mistakes were made, lives were lost, and lessons need to be learned.
The State Department clearly failed the Boy Scout motto of be prepared.
The State Department is headed, of course, by outgoing Secretary Hillary Clinton. She stated previously,
"I take responsibility. I'm in charge of the State Department."
And now, in letters to the House and Senate, she goes further, accepting every one of the panel's recommendations to improve security at U.S. missions. That's not quite enough for Republicans who want Clinton to testify in person once she recovers from a concussion.
It is our expectation that as soon as she is able to testify, she will be appearing before our committee.
The investigation found the attack was not triggered by an anti-Muslim video, as suggested by the White House for days afterwards, though the review also concluded there was no evidence politics was involved in playing down the terrorist attack. Donna?
All right, Eric, thank you.